This was my second highest earning month on Amazon KDP, so I'm excited to show you how the month of November 2022 went for me. So my total for the month of November 2022 was $2,617.08. Now I'm really pleased to be earning this amount. This has only been surpassed by December 2021, which is expected. But throughout the month of November, I just saw my royalties increasing. You can just see by the bar chart here how throughout the month it was just going up and up and up. And I'm really looking forward to December 2022. So just to give you a little bit of insight, my highest earning month of November was the 30th, where I earned $172.62, and my lowest day was the 5th, where I only earned $20.05. And you can just see up here that the total amount I sold was 1,400 paperback copies. So I'm really happy with that. Now you can see, just looking at my marketplace stats, that the highest earning marketplace was the UK, which represented 88% of my sales, followed by Amazon.com, which was only about 10%. And then you've got the smaller marketplaces of Germany, Canada, France, Japan, Spain, and also Australia. So I am glad to be getting sales in other marketplaces as well. A lot of my books I do target for specifically the UK market. That's why it is the highest percentage. Now let's take a look at my top 5 best-selling books of the month. So my first book is actually an activity book, and it has been doing really well for me, although I do spend quite a lot on ads with it, but it grows to me $576.01, followed by my best-selling logbook that does well for me all year round. The third, fourth, and fifth book is actually related to the first book. So usually when people buy that first activity book, then they will buy kind of the coloring books surrounding it. So it does really well for the brand, and it's kind of a great idea if you can also create books that are kind of similar to each other, and then you'll get kind of bundle of sales. So the third book is a coloring book. The fourth book is also a coloring book. And the fifth book is another activity book. Now, I have been running ads for the month of November 2022, and you can check out these screenshots here of the US, UK, and Canada markets. They are the only markets I do run ads in. We can take a look at the US one first, and you can see I spent a total of $82.75, and these gave me sales of $381.48 with a low ACOS of 21.69% and 38 orders. Now the UK is where most of my sales come from, and I spent my biggest amount so far that I've ever spent in a month of £598.34, which gave me a massive amount of sales of £3,322.66 and a really low ACOS again of 18.01% with a total of 484 orders. Now Canada did give me my lowest ACOS of 13.24%, but I did only have one order there in Canada. So I do run a range of different ad strategies, such as automatic ads, lotto campaigns, and manual ads. So I've got a few videos on these, but I'll also add more videos about ads soon. So to finalize the November 2022 income report, my income for the month was $2,617.08. My expenses for the month include my ads and all these subscriptions. So with the ads, I do like to be honest, and I'm based in the UK, so I am subject to a 20% value added tax on top. And then the subscriptions just include Canva, KDP, Champ, and Creative Fabrica. So those expenses came up to $990.49. So my total for the month was $1,626.59. So thanks for watching another income report, and let me know how it went for you guys, and looking forward to the December 2022 income report.